Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been quite many videos now, why not, when we have this awesome studio. But today we're gonna talk about suspension. In the 350 we're gonna put a cartridge kit, the new one from WP. And in the 450 we're gonna put the cone valve in the front and the tracks in the back. So yeah, fully equipped bikes. It's gonna be really cool to test the cartridge kit because that's like a middle option. If you don't want to spend all the money to get the cone valve, I hope it will be a good option, like a middle option. I mean, suspension, we can talk so much about it and we do it in the school. We go deeper like with all the settings and how you can test and change and everything like that. But in this video, I'm just gonna like put the suspension on. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the factory suspension. I call it factory suspension, but yeah, the cone valve and also the cartridge kit, and try to give you as much information about just those kit. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the bikes in my car and I'm gonna go to WP Northern Europe in a city called Örebro. The reason why I'm going there and not to an authorized dealer is because we have a collaboration with WP in the Swedish school. So I'm gonna go there and get the new suspension and they're gonna help me to put it on. And after that, I'm gonna take the bikes out for a ride and do a comparison between the cartridge kit and the cone valve and see the feeling and tell it to you. So yeah, let's pack the bikes and go to WP. Yeah, so hey guys, the plan was to go out and test the suspension today, but yeah, I'm gonna show you the Swedish weather here in March. This is what we got. You're gonna see a bit overexposed, but yeah, this is how it looks here in March. So yeah, I guess we skipped the testing today. I don't really know what to do. Just wait for the weather to get better. But soon we do the testing of the new suspension from WP. So guys, I chose a little bit better location for what we do. We are in Spain, Marbella. I left the snow back in Sweden, so I prefer this. You know what we're gonna do? We have now the bikes. We have the 450 with a full kit. I call it factory kit, but the cone valve in the front and the Supertrax in the back. I've been riding the cone valve on my previous bikes, but the Supertrax is new on this one. I just tested a little bit here in Spain. And on the 350, as I mentioned before, we have the new cartridge kit from WP. Not as pricey as the full kit, so I think it's a really good option. This one I haven't tried. My friend just drove it a little bit here in Spain. So I'm really excited to test this one. And in the back we have a little bit of rebuilt suspension as suggested from WP. So if you want like the same setting, it's a setting that fits together with the fork from WP. So your authorized dealer should be able to get you this kind of setting. As always with suspension, you need to do your own testing and like try to lower the fork in the front or make it higher to get the good feeling. So it's not just to put the most expensive stuff on and then everything will work fine. You need some fine tuning, but I mean, it's harder to get it better than this that we have here. And as I know from previously, it's a really good setup. But on this one, also you need to do some adjustments. And of course, you need to put the right kind of springs into it for your weight and do the sag measurements and so on and so on. So, but I know these ones are with the right springs for me. So I'm really excited to try them out and really compare. And the track we are at now, it's called Araben, the Arabe, here in Spain, Marbella. My friend Joachim, who's running the school with me, the enduro school. It's his like local track. It's quite slippery, hard packed. We have like a small motocross track here that I'm gonna do the testing on. Perfect condition to do the testing of suspension. Hard packed, so when doing the braking, we will really feel that if the bike is following, when coming out from a turn to give gas, if like you can trust the bike that it stays in place. So really good place to try the bikes. Enough of talking. Let's do some testing. Okay. Okay, so I tested a 450 with, as I mentioned, a new Supertrax in the back. So good feeling. Like here, the track, as I mentioned, is really hard packed. So the speed is high and the like braking bumps are really like hard, but the bike is following so smooth, and I really trust the bike. Like when laying down in the corners, it's really slippery. It still stays, and I got traction the whole time. So yeah, I mean, I'm really happy with the suspension, and I mean, the suspension is not about finding comfort, it's about trusting the bike. So even though it feels hard, like when I hitting the bumps and so on, I still can trust it. Nothing like strange things happens. It just goes straight on, and I like really trust it to give gas and brake late and so on. So yeah, a really good feeling. Now I'm gonna test the 350, brand new suspension. I haven't tested it before, so really excited to see the difference between them. Okay. Okay, so the 350 with the cartridge kit in it. I mean, I just tested it, so it's just a few minutes, few laps, but I choose this location because here you really get like the range of the suspension, and what I'm looking for is not that the fork is not going through. So I over jumped some jumps. I hit really hard into the braking bumps, and it holds up. So that's really good. That's something we wanted to do. But we also wanted to be like following the bike, having good traction on the front tire and on the back tire, and like take the real hard hits. And it does that really good. So that shows that the suspension, the fork, has a wide range. Of course, I need to fine tune it. I need to test it a bit more, different kind of locations. But overall feeling for this location, which is like put the suspension to the test, excellent choice. And for this money, compared to that suspension, really worth the money. Really. Like comparing to a standard fork that comes with a bike, it's like night and day. It's so much bigger difference, and it's not like going through, it stays on the top. The like original suspension goes through even though you have like the correct springs for your weight, but this one stays on top, so it has all the suspension weight to work on. So yeah, I shouldn't say surprised because I know it's good stuff, but the feeling is yeah, really good feeling. It would be interesting to like test sometimes, like, I mean, it's two different products, so I said I'm gonna compare them, but that's not really fair because this is like a totally different technology with a cone valve and with the Supertrax. But I would recommend all who buys like a new bike or like do some racing to invest at least in this cartridge kit and rebuild the suspension, the back suspension. That's really something you should do, and now it's really worth to do it. A little bit hassle, of course, with this one because like if you buy the cartridge kit and you sell your bike, you need to you need to install them and then you need to take them away. Or like I do, I need to like give them to an authorized WP dealer to do it for me. So it's a little bit more hassle than with this forks. You just like take to your next bike. But yeah, except from that, yeah, really good feeling. I'm happy with the result of it. So I mean, the best way for you is to test it. If you are in Sweden or now in Spain, just let me know if you want to try some of the bikes. I'm more than willing to let you to try the bikes. I mean, another option is to rebuild like the original suspension, which I used to have on this bike. But then we have tested many different kind of settings, and I just found like one that I'm really comfortable with. But this one is really standard. Just put it in, and it works really, really fine. Like the same comparison with the ones that we rebuilt it and tested, and that's like the same price to rebuild it as this original, just put it in. So I would prefer to go with these ones of all the ones I've tested and rebuilt and doing like all different kind of setups. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions, just let us know. Worth to mention, this is just like scraping on the surface. If you want to learn more how to do proper setups with the sag, what happens when you change the sag and you change the setting in the front, then you should become a member in Enduro School, where we teach you all the kind of settings you need to know about suspension. So hey guys, thank you for me. Thank you for watching here in beautiful Marbella. Now I'm gonna continue to ride some bike. See you soon.